Hello and welcome to part 5 of this hacking series where we're using a ChatGPT script that was created by ChatGPT and is on StationX's website. And we are going to be using two known CVEs here. It'll be CVE-2024-21413 and we'll be doing CVE 2023-23397 as a combined effort to get a reverse shell. Now, just to again put it out there, this is my lab. I have full access to hack this, and these CVEs I'm using as a test to show you that you need to patch your Exchange systems, patch your Outlook versions, and ensure that you have proper rules in place, antivirus, EDR, etc., to stop this kind of attack. Now, what I did is on this CVE, I modified the URL. Instead of pointing to a local file that will obviously give me the hashes, which is what this CVE is about, I used it to download the reverse shell script that created in part 4, and then I'll execute that part in a normal PowerShell window to give me a reverse shell. So basically, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to first send this email. So I'm none the wiser. I get this email. Oh, great. What happens is I click on the link. It'll open up a browser. You can see here it's basically downloaded the file. I'll say keep. Now what I'll do is I'll close this window. I'll open up a normal PowerShell window, but I'm running as administrator. And I'm going to run this. Now, if you look in the bottom right-hand corner, watch the reverse listener now. I'm going to run this once, and basically you'll see it will download the file, and it pops a reverse shell. Now, if I go to Outlook, this is the same as part 4, where basically I now have a recurring meeting request that will happen, and I can now get access. Now, obviously, I can combine this even more to, like I did in part 2 and 3, where either create a registry key just to run a startup, or to create a scheduled task to run every whatever like time period, and then I will continue to get a reverse shell. So just want to let you know that this again is my lab. Just be aware that obviously combining CVEs, you can do malicious things. So please be aware. This was tested on Outlook 2013, Outlook 2019. They're not patched. Many companies are running unpatched software, especially Exchange servers. I have a patched server and an unpatched server, and if I was patched, obviously I wouldn't have been able to do this. So please be safe out there, patch your systems, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching.